What is up, Pyro Nation? We're here about to check out the Neuralizer. New cake from Planet X Fireworks right there. Check out, you know where this is coming from. Look at, there they are, Men in Black guys. Don't let it fool you. This little cake is freaking impressive. Here's your description. Look at this, 24 shots of screaming tiger tails of super loud sort of effects with green brocades with red glitter pistols with white strobes. Impressive little cake, 200 grammer. But man, I love this little cake. And so you guys, let's go check this out. You see, it is a 24 shot, 200 gram cake. Men in Black, baby. All right, let's go check this out, guys.
I haven't seen this one yet. I like that. Yes. I'm buying some of those. Oh my God, yeah.